Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back. From our last video, we looked at how we use the device gem to add some security to our Blazor engine. In this video, we're looking at how we can implement our own custom security. So let's see how to go about that. If you remember from our last video, we used the authenticate method to restrict only admin accounts from accessing our Blazor engine. Since we are trying to implement our own custom implementation, let's remove this authenticate method and have our Blazor engine mounted to this application. Now the question then becomes, how do we go about implementing our custom security? First, we need to tell Blazor what's the name of the function that we will use to implement this custom security. In order to do that, we need to go to our blazor.yml file and find the before action method. This is where Blazor will check for the name of our custom implementation. By default, Blazor gives it require admin. We can give it any name we want. Let me just change it just for changing sake and give it require admin account. So now we have changed the name. The next question will then be, where should we implement this function? Well, we need to go to our application controller because that is where Blazor will source this function. Let's go there, and then we need to implement it here. So let's implement that here. Okay. So let's say we want to also implement the same structure that we use in our device video, where we want to only allow our admin account to have access to our Blazor engine. So let's implement that here. In order to implement that here, we'll say we direct any user that is not an admin account to the login page. So let's use the redirect to account that Rails provides for us and redirect them to the login page, which will be the new accounts session part. And we'll only do that. We'll always do this unless the current account is present and current accounts. Yeah, this works. But something we need to be conscious of is this function, this whole function is actually being run in the context of the Blazor engine. So the Blazor engine does not know about our login page. So we need to tell them that this login page should be found in the main application. So in order to do that, we need to then add here the main app with new account session paths. So now, anytime the Blazor engine wants to find the login page, it will come to the main application. Okay, let's test our application and see how it works. Okay, so let me refresh this. Voila. So now we are now redirected to our login page to login. Let's try logging in as a normal user, Kingsley 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doesn't work. It still redirected me back to the login page. So let me use an admin user. Let's do admin user. Let me do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's logging. It has logged in. So let me then go to Blazor. Voila. Now we have access to our dashboards and queries. Okay, I think this will be the end of the custom implementation. In our next video, we'll be looking at how we can add charts to our Blazor queries and dashboards. Thank you for listening to me and happy coding.